Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're gonna see how we can repair damaged PST files, and we're gonna use both an online version and also a desktop version for Windows that will help us fix corrupt or damaged PST files that can lead to severe data loss. So in this video, as you may have guessed, we're gonna use Stellar, which is a great tool when it comes to PST files, repairing PST files, restoring them, and so on. And with this tool, we're gonna be able to repair PST files and restore all the mailbox items such as emails, calendar events, tasks, notes, and more to a new PST file. So let's begin. First of all, we're going to use an online tool that is free to use and allows you to upload up to 5 gigabytes of PST files. And we're going to have more information about this in the description below. As I've said, up to 5 gigabytes. And if you want to repair larger files, you're going to be able to use the desktop software with no size limit, but more on that in the next few minutes. Now, all we have to do is to click on repair PST file. We're going to have to sign in either with Google or sign in with your account. If you don't have one, quickly sign up. And after the login process is complete, we can click again on the repair PST file button, and then we're going to have to select our PST file which is corrupted or damaged. Click on open. As you can see, the file size is about 278 megabytes. The upload process should be faster in this case, and we're well within that area of 5 gigabytes, so we can quickly restore our PST file. Now we are in the upload process, then we're going to repair it, and then we're going to preview it and save it. Now the file was uploaded successfully. We can click on start repair. It's going to analyze our file and start the repair process. Now the repair process has started. We're just going to have to wait a bit, and then we're going to be able to preview our PST file. Now the repair process was finished, and now the platform is generating our preview for the PST file. And now as you can see, the file repair was successful, and we can preview our file or save it as a PST. Quickly, let me show you how a preview would look. We can open it up using the browser, and we can see here all our mailbox items which are restored successfully. And then if we want, we can also save the PST file to our computer for free. As you can see, you're just going to have to click on the download PST button, and then you can save it on your desktop or wherever you want to save it. Now another method that you can use the desktop tool, and this is when you have files that are bigger than 5 gigabytes. You can use the Stellar desktop tool, the Outlook PST repair tool that you can get from their website. We're going to have more information in the description below. And with this, as you can see, you can repair and restore corrupt or damaged PST files as well, retrieve the mailbox items, repair and export, and also it supports most Office suites and also earlier versions. I have here the desktop version myself. We're just going to open it, and we're going to check out how we can use it to repair our damaged PST file. Once you open up the software, make sure you don't dismiss this window that appears the first time you launch the app, and then you're going to have to click on the list profiles button. And as you can see now, the select Outlook data file for repair window appears, and it shows you the number of listed profiles. And from here, you can select PST or OSD files using 2 tabs, the profile list and also the choose mailbox manually. Basically, with the profile list tab, you can repair listed Outlook profiles, and you can use the choose mailbox manually tab when the file location is known. In this case, we're going to use this one. We're going to click on browse, and we're going to select our corrupted PST file and then click on open. Now all we have to do is to click on the repair button, and the repair process will start locally on our computer with the desktop solution Stellar Repair for Outlook. And as you can see, once the process is finished, we can see the new window repair complete. Selected file has been repaired. Click save repaired file button to save the repaired PST file. We can click on OK now. You can also see a preview here of the PST file and the mailbox items. And now we're going to have to click on the save repaired file button. We're going to select the PST format, click on next, select the location, for example desktop, and then click on OK. And this way we're going to save up our recovered and repaired PST file. And now we're going to receive this message, saving complete. The file was saved at, and then we can see the repaired file size. We can click on OK now. I'm also going to quickly show you how to import it into Outlook if you need to do this process. Now to quickly import it into Outlook, we're going to have to open up the Outlook app, of course, then go into the file menu, then open and export. Then we're going to have to select the import and export option. From here, we're going to select import from another program or file, click on next. Then we're going to select Outlook data file.pst, click on next, and then we're going to select the PST file, which we should have on our location, which is desktop. We have here the corrupted file that was repaired. We're going to click on open, click on next, and then click on finish. And this way we've managed to successfully import our repaired PST file into Outlook. The process is really simple. As I've said, for files that have a size up to 5 gigabytes, you can use the free online version, and then if you have larger files or multiple PST files, you can use the desktop version Stellar Repair for Outlook. More information about Stellar we're going to have in the description below. Make sure to check it out today if you need to fix or repair your corrupted or damaged PST files. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, it, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.